What if the shoes you wear every day are slowly weakening your feet, affecting your balance, and even changing the way your body moves as you age? Most people never think about it, but your feet were never designed to be locked inside thick, cushioned shoes all day. And over time, especially after 40, 50, and beyond, this can quietly lead to weaker muscles, poor posture, and a higher risk of falls. Now here's the surprising part. Some research suggests that something as simple as walking barefoot, even just a few minutes a day, can begin to reverse some of these effects. So what actually happens inside your body when you start walking barefoot? Let's break it down step by step. 1. What walking barefoot really means. Walking barefoot, sometimes called grounding or earthing, simply means letting your feet make direct contact with natural surfaces like grass, soil, or sand. This isn't a new idea. For most of human history, people walked barefoot or with very minimal footwear. Your feet evolved to move, bend, and respond to the ground beneath you. But modern shoes, especially thick, cushioned ones, change that completely. They reduce how much your feet feel and how much they actually work. And that's where the problem begins. 2. Stronger feet and better balance. Your feet are more complex than most people realize. They contain over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments working together to support your entire body. But when those muscles aren't used, they weaken. Research on foot mechanics shows that supportive footwear can reduce muscle activation in the feet over time. In simple terms, your shoes start doing the work your feet are supposed to do. But when you walk barefoot, especially on natural surfaces, your toes begin to spread and grip. Small stabilizing muscles activate. Your feet adapt to uneven ground. Over time, this can help improve balance. And this becomes especially important after 50, when the risk of falls increases significantly. 3. Your posture, knees, and back alignment. Your feet are the foundation of your entire body. If that foundation is slightly off, the effects travel upward to your knees, your hips, and even your lower back. Many modern shoes slightly elevate the heel. That small lift may not feel like much, but it shifts your body weight forward. Over time, this can change how you walk and how your joints absorb pressure. Barefoot walking, on the other hand, encourages a more natural walking pattern. A flatter foot strike, better weight distribution, more balanced posture. Some biomechanical studies suggest this can reduce stress on joints, especially in the knees. 4. Stress, nerves, and mental calm. Your feet are packed with sensory receptors, thousands of nerve endings constantly sending signals to your brain. When you walk barefoot, especially on natural ground, those signals increase. This stimulation can help activate what's known as the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for relaxation and recovery. In contrast, many people today spend most of their time in a constant, low-level stress state. Some small studies on grounding suggest that direct contact with the earth may help. Lower stress levels, improve mood, support relaxation. Even if the full mechanism is still being studied, the calming effect many people feel is very real. 5. Sleep and inflammation. Inflammation plays a role in many common issues. Joint pain, fatigue, poor sleep. Some early research suggests that contact with the earth may influence the body's electrical balance and inflammatory response. Now, this is still an emerging area of study, but some findings have shown improvements in sleep quality, muscle recovery, general well-being. Even short periods of barefoot contact with natural surfaces may support your body's natural recovery systems. 6. Brain function and coordination. There's another benefit most people overlook. Every time your barefoot touches the ground, your brain receives detailed feedback about texture, pressure, and movement. This improves something called proprioception, your body's awareness of position and movement. And this matters more as you age. Better proprioception means 1. Improved coordination, 2. Faster reactions, 3. Lower risk of injury. In a way, barefoot walking doesn't just train your feet, it trains your brain. 7. The risks you should know. Now, before you kick off your shoes and hit the ground running, literally, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Walking barefoot has some incredible benefits, but if you're not careful, it can come with a few downsides. We're talking about things like cuts from sharp objects you didn't see, infections from bacteria or fungi, foot strain, especially if your feet aren't used to moving without support. And if you have conditions like diabetes or nerve damage, this is one area where you'll want to be extra cautious. What's a minor scratch for some could be a serious issue for others. Also, not all surfaces are created equal. There's a big difference between strolling on soft grass and spending all day walking on hard concrete. Your feet will feel it, so it's smart to start slow and pay attention to what's beneath you. 8. How to start safely. So if you're ready to give this a try, and I hope you are, let's talk about how to do it the right way. The key is to start simple, really simple. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Find a patch of grass, some soft sand, or another forgiving surface, and then just go barefoot. The most important part? Consistency. Do a little bit every day, or as often as you can, and let your feet adapt slowly. This isn't about forcing anything. It's not a challenge to see how much discomfort you can push through. It's about allowing your body to reconnect with something natural, something it was literally designed to do. And over time, your feet will respond. They'll grow stronger, more flexible, and more responsive. You'll start to feel the ground beneath you in a whole new way. Now look, walking barefoot isn't a miracle solution. I'm not going to stand here and tell you it'll fix everything overnight. But here's what it can do. It's a simple habit that may help restore something modern life has slowly taken away. Stronger feet that actually function the way they're supposed to. Better balance so you feel more stable on your feet. And a calmer nervous system. Because sometimes grounding yourself is exactly what your body needs. There's something beautiful about that. The smallest changes, the ones that seem almost too simple to matter, are often the ones your body responds to the most. So if you're going to give this a try, I want you to commit to it. Drop a comment below, 5 minutes barefoot. Let me know you're in. And if you're curious what happens when you take it a step further, when you walk just 20 minutes a day, every day, go ahead and click the next video on your screen. Because your health, it shouldn't be complicated. It should be easy to fix.